Hi everyone, welcome back. It's just been very tough last 2 weeks. One wants to do a lot more than one can do. People are busy doing office work, doing things at home, things for our loved ones. I think that's exhausted all of us. But there's also a feeling of somebody who's making an effort and posting something on social media. For example, there's a backlash which happens. Is this enough? For example, is an organization who's giving leaves to their employees, is that enough? If somebody is posting things about positive things happening around in social media, is that enough? Is some celebrity who's given certain amount as a donation, is that amount enough? I just want to think and question that, who are we to question what others are doing? I think this is a time when everybody is just pitching in with what they can do and what they are skilled at and what they are thinking is the right thing to do at this time. Any iota of help anyone in trouble gets at this point in time is like that one drop in the ocean which is required to quench the thirst. So I'm not here to preach. I'm just saying that everybody is in flux right now. We are all sailing in the same boat. The least we can do is just say cheer up for people who are actually doing whatever they can do. Spread more positive news outside, at least on our social media posts or on our handles, and kind of encourage more and more people to contribute, and to take up the responsibility to do whatever possible they can do, some volunteer work, some calls, something which they can do in office for their colleagues. I think this also will take us out from that fear psychosis, so this is not the time to think and mull over, and it's not the end of the world. Yes, this is a pandemic. It has come again, in the last 100 years, but it is going to get over. We are all going to cross through, and how we cross through and how we look back are also the memories which we are creating. So choose wisely. Choose wisely how you're writing your script for today, because that's the script which is going to affect our family, our children, our society. And let's do whatever is beneficial, whatever is in our, whatever we can do, whatever we can give back to the society. This is the